In this video, we will learn a mnemonic to remember the parts of human digestive system. Digestion first starts in mouth. In mouth, we have salivary glands. Salivary glands release an enzyme called amylase, and the amylase digests carbohydrate. So first digestion starts in mouth and that of carbohydrate because of this enzyme called amylase released by the salivary glands. Salivary glands actually release saliva and saliva has amylase. Then from mouth through esophagus, the food enters in the stomach because of the peristalsis. So these are important terms that you should know. Peristalsis is the involuntary movement of the digestive tract, the contraction, the relaxation. Because of that, the food moves in the pipe. Now here we have epiglottis. This epiglottis prevents the food from entering in the windpipe. Teeth for mastication of food, chewing. Then liver. Liver produces bile and bile digests fats. Liver is on the right side of our body, just below the right diaphragm, slightly into the left side. Then we have pancreas. Pancreas produce insulin and digestive enzymes released into the stomach, which helps in digestion. In the stomach, so when food comes through the esophagus, it enters the stomach, and then from stomach it enters the small intestine. This here curved part, small intestine, is actually very large, and most of the digestion occurs in small intestine, digestion, absorption of nutrients, etc. From the small intestine, then food enters the large intestine where the water absorption takes place, and then finally in the rectum anus, feces is stored, and through the anus it comes out. So this is the whole human digestive system. In short, I have explained. Now let's look at the mnemonic to remember this. Mouth and soles pill R. Think of mouth and soles pill right as if something you are eating. Each letter here represents a part and its function. M, mouth, chewing and mixing food with saliva. Mechanical and chemical digestion starts. Salivary glands produces saliva containing enzymes amylase to begin carbohydrate digestion. O of soles, oesophagus, it transports food from mouth to stomach using peristalsis. Then L, liver, it produces bile which helps digest fats. Epiglottis prevents food from entering the windpipe. S, stomach, stores food, churns it and mixes it with gastric juices, acid and enzymes. P, pancreas, produces digestive enzyme and insulin. I, intestine, small intestine, absorbs nutrients from digested food into the bloodstream. L, large intestine, absorbs water forming solid waste. L, lacteals, inside small intestine which absorbs fats and transport them into the lymphatic system. R, rectum and anus, store and expel waste from the body. So if you remember this mouth and soles pill right, you can answer any multiple choice question by recalling this mnemonic. Create a pictographic memory and you will never forget it. For more such videos, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.